Hi, David. This is Paul with Peerless Strategies. You had spoken with my partner Stephanie about receiving this video. We hope you find it helpful. I promise to keep it brief. So let's get started. In this video, we're going to go over three things. We're going to talk about backlinks, citations, and content. So we're here on the Google search page. So this is the top key search term in your area for kitchen remodeling in Tacoma, Washington. As we scroll down the page, we see the map pack. And then down at the bottom, this is the organic search. So you see these businesses that are here. The reason they're here is because of backlinks. To discuss backlinks more on the next page. So this is one of your top competitors in Tacoma, Washington. Based off your competitors' information, we can see that they have a total of 224 referring domains. All these are just 224 different websites that refer this company's information. But based off of the 224 that we see here, this gives them a total of 4,700 backlinks. And all a backlink is just one website that links to another. So what we need to do for your business specifically is we need to go ahead and create you a website. And then what we would do is then go through these referring domains and then find you as many backlinks as we could. What we like to do is go ahead and beat out this 4,700 so that you can go ahead and move up in your position and be easier to find on Google. The next thing I want to do is I want to talk about organic keywords. All right, so what we're looking at is we're looking at the search volume per month for these organic keywords. So the number one key search term for your area is kitchen remodeling, Tacoma, Washington. There's about 250 searches there taking place per month. Tacoma bathroom remodeling, there's 150. Bathroom remodeling, Tacoma, there's another 150. So as you can see, there's a fair amount of searches that are going on for the specific services that you're providing. But because you don't have a web page right now, your web presence isn't that great and you're not being found for these searches. So again, just to reiterate what we talked about on the other page, is we'd love to build you a website so we can draw more business to you. So the next thing I want to do is I want to talk about citations, right? So now this is the Google Map Pack here. So these businesses are here because of citations. So all a citation is it's a business name with a phone number and an address that is listed in a different directories throughout the internet. Typically, when I search, I don't see businesses having more than 75 citations. So what we like to do is we like to go ahead and get you 350 citations. So it could beat out your competition by a landslide and get you ranked higher in this Google Map Pack here. So if people do searches, we'd like to have your business be right here on top, right? Another thing you want to do that's going to help support you in this, though, is to optimize your Google My Business. So we do that by writing a solid description. So just a really good description that talks about the services that you provide. We want to go ahead and try to get as many 5-star reviews as you can get. And then we want to have some really good photos showcasing some of your finished, right? So the next thing we're going to talk about, we're going to go over to one of your competitors' websites and we're going to talk about content. So as far as the layout of this site, this is not the prettiest site I've ever seen, right? But as far as the content, there is a lot of content on this page. And in Google's eyes, content is king. This is how it's going to rank your actual website. So what Google likes to see is at least 1,500 words of authoritative content on your page. And all authoritative content is just content that's written specifically about the services that you provide, right? So as we go down here, you see they have a lot of words written here, so roughly about 2,500 words on this page, and then they have a lot of great pictures. So this is what we like to do. We like to build you a fully optimized site like this with a better layout to help you get ranked better on Google. So I just want to go ahead and recap about what we talked about so far. Right? So the first thing we talked about is we talked about backlinks, right? So we talked about the importance of backlinks. For getting your website ranked in the organic search. When people are searching for businesses and services on Google, this is going to help you get ranked up higher on Google on the first page, right? Second thing we talked about is we talked about citations. How Google uses citations to help rank you in the Google Map Pack here, right? And the last thing we talked about is we talked about content, right? So the importance of content and how Google views it, and how this is also going to go back to helping you getting ranked better, being easier to find by your customers. Right? So I want to go ahead and I want to thank you for your time. I hope you found this video to be informative. Please let us know if you need anything further, and have a great day.